Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add app switch transition in CapCut PC. Let's take these two videos as an example. First, drag them into the timeline. Then, go to the Transitions tab and search for App Switch. Find the App Switch transition, then click and drag it between the two clips. A pop-up will appear saying Create duplicate frames for transition. Simply click OK. Now you'll see a gray bar between the clips. Play to preview the effect. If needed, drag the edges of the gray bar to adjust the transition duration. For multiple video clips, drag them into the timeline. Select the App Switch transition and click Apply to All on the right. That's it. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.